So this is exactly how to unlock and use ziplines in Waterpark Simulator. So to be able to do this, we need to run to the research table here, and under attractions on 3 stars, you need to unlock this one right here where it says zipline tower here, as you can see. So just unlock this. Once you have unlocked this, then we're going to open up the building menu, and under utility, you're going to see this right here, the zipline tower. Just place it. For example, we can place it here. I believe that's a good place for it. I'm just gonna grab my hammer here to be able to build it real quick. So I placed it here. And then we're gonna build the zipline tower, as you can see. Now what we need to do is to just run to the tower here. And you can see now we can actually adjust the zipline exactly how we want it to be, I believe. You can see here, we can aim it as well here instead. An example, and you can see now we have a zip line all the way to this pool right here. You can even adjust it, I believe, so you can make it, I guess, taller here or even smaller. I believe if it's taller, I guess it goes even more to the north here, so I'm gonna check. Yeah, I mean, it looks fine. You just have to aim and yeah, just place it wherever you actually want the zipline tower to be. And you can see I have another one here as well. But basically, this is exactly how to unlock and use ziplines in Waterpark Simulator.